You don't need another certification. You just have to organize your thoughts and put it together and create an asset that sells over a period of time by giving value genuinely, even while you are sleeping. What if I told you that all you need is just a weekend, a set of very, very simple instructions, and you can create your entire digital asset in the form of an online course, even if you've never ever created or taught online ever? This is the video where we will be guiding you through step by step how to make that happen. My name is Suryadeep, and welcome to this amazing experience that we're going to undergo. It all starts with the mistakes that beginners end up making. When you look at it, you think that you will get to start creating an online course, but you feel that I will do it when everything is perfect. I will do it when I have the great equipment, all the camera, the right sound, all of those things, and only then I will get started. Or I don't think I have enough experience. I've never created an online course ever in my life. I don't even know how it works. So I will do it when I have a lot of experience. Or here's another one. I will create the biggest course, the entire complete subject end to end, and only then I will learn it first, implement it first, and only then I will launch. And finally, the weirdest one, I will teach everything that I have ever learned instead of focusing on solving one problem. Now, we will come to this. We have to learn how to get out of this and break through from this first. And for that, we need to learn why learn online course creation. Before I get into these points, let's first cover the first set of stuff. The global e-learning market is expected and projected to exceed 500 billion US dollars before 2030. There is all these different platforms that is growing, and especially post COVID online, a lot of these things have moved on. The creator economy, just by being a creator itself, it's giving rise to tens of millions of creators worldwide, and digital products such as courses is turning out to be one of the fastest growing revenue income streams, especially passive. Imagine you are sleeping right now and your digital course is generating revenue because you have an asset that, and you've built all the platforms, it's selling all by itself. Now, according to multiple online learning reports, learners increasingly prefer short outcome focused courses over long theory heavy programs. Let's face it, we are in a world where we have tools like Notebook LM and ChatGPT, Claude skills, where you give instructions once and it remembers. The rote learning methodology is gone once and for all. So the learners, they literally want hands-on skills that they can immediately start implementing in their day-to-day workplace. And that's where the online course makes it so much easier. Digital courses are full-fledged digital assets. You can create ones and sell them repeatedly. You can update them at any time. You can sell them to multiple people. That's what helps you build authority, and it helps you create multiple income streams. Now, if I have to show you my own income, let's just say just as an authority, I don't even want to get into any of those hyper focused and all those flashy stuff. I will just show you something that is so simple for me to show, which is my own Udemy interface. Okay. So if anyone comes to my Udemy instructor profile, they can see that there are 9,533, 28 reviews. I have these many learners, 9,500 learners across 54 different countries. That's what my internal dashboard is going to show. And that helps me build a lot of credibility by default. Now, if that is what we are learning about, why we should learn, you also have to understand, why does AI change everything? AI can help you plan better, create your own lessons for you in exact voice in which you yourself speak. It'll help you create slides. You got your workbooks. It can help you edit videos, helps you launch faster. Most importantly, your expertise stays human. So you, as a creator, as someone with that experience, you become the director, and AI does the heavy duty for you. That's how the whole experience stays human. You're the one who's delivering, right? You can obviously deploy AI versions of your AI avatar, but It'll not give that personalized touch. Most importantly, AI accelerates execution. And this is also the recent uh, studies that have showed that professionals using AI complete many knowledge tasks significantly faster while maintaining or improving the quality of human review. Because AI, you can think of AI as all the PhDs put together into one tool, which is available at your fingertips. And that's why you got to make the most of it. So what should be the better approach? Here's the mistake that a lot of people make even when they want to record their first course. You got to understand who is that one person who is having one particular problem that they are willing to solve. Deliver one key transformation by building one particular course, launch it, collect feedback, improve the version 2.0, and repeat. I'll give you one very simple example. Let's just say this particular video right now. I am making it for that one person who wants to learn how to launch an online course in a weekend. How will you do that? This is what I'm teaching you in the video. Why should you do it? What are the things you need to keep in mind? Everything is encapsulated within one video in itself. Now, this also you can consider as a lesson in itself, right? It's crazy how all of these things put together works like magic. So, what should be your first step? What are the three skills that people ask you about? Now, I know for sure right now people have asked me, "Oh, Surideep, how do you end up making online courses so quickly?" And that's why I'm recording this. What are the other couple of skills that people talk to you about? People ask you about, write them down. Now choose the one problem that you can solve today, right now, which only and only you can solve in this world. Now, forget about the fact that multiple people are there in this world who have solved this problem before. Well, the way you do it is so different than the way anyone else, even the world's greatest, has. And most importantly, people must have done things prior also, but no one can copy your intent, your style, your energy, your altruism. It's not possible. So you got to understand that everything that you create completely personalized by you, embodied by you. That's why you need to write this down. What is the one clear transformation that your student can experience if they decide to go ahead into this journey with you? So very interesting example will be, for example, this one itself. I help complete beginners launch their first digital course using AI in a weekend. Now, that's a pretty amazing step that I can kickstart with before I sit down with AI and give all the context. Once you do this, the very next step that comes is to learn the complete implementation. Implementation includes creating your entire curriculum. For example, right now, what I'm showing it to you here is a mind map. A mind map is a sequence and series of information structured in a simple manner for your brain to observe and absorb. Then generate your lessons using AI. So all these little things that I'm sharing right now in this particular video, AI has already given me a pretty decent list when I sat down, asked it to give me all these things. Now, this was possible because I took these action steps and I gave all this as context to AI. Then create your slides. Platforms like Notebook LM will help you design those slides, put it into action. Building a student workbook. Every single video that you experience with me, every single time you decide to log in and learn from me, you will always understand. If you check the description, you will always find the video notes. Everything and anything that I share, I ensure that I give it all away. And that is what you can also do by asking AI to build a workbook. Then you sit down. What The way that I have done it, for example, right now I am using a platform called Zoom. I'm using Zoom to record the entire video. But let's just say you don't have Zoom. You can simply use your phone. The phone cameras are better compared to, even you don't need all those expensive cameras itself. Your phone itself has such a powerful camera that you can set it up. All you need to do is make sure that, for example, this video piece that you're able to see, the camera is parallel to my eyes. So keep your phone parallel, make sure that there's enough lighting on your face, and that's it. You are all set to record your stuff. Once your videos are recorded, then you publish. You put all those videos together, stack them up, publish on a platform like Udemy, the platform that I am in. I've partnered with Udemy. You could even have your own platform. For example, in Sunsden, we have sunsden.ongraphy.com. Once we promote, once we publish a course, then you get your first set of students, and then you continue building a library. So for example, every single time, in this case, let's just say right now, if you've been enjoying this entire journey with me, I just explained to you how to do it. But let's just say you want me to hold your hand and step by step do it with you. That is what I've explained in the Udemy course, the link of which is given below. The first 100 of you will be getting that entire course absolutely free of cost. The coupon is attached below. However, if the coupon is gone, then there's nothing that I can do. There's nothing that I can help. What I can tell you is, if you sign up for my newsletter, every single week I share a newsletter every Monday where I give free coupons to my exclusive newsletter readers. So it's again first come, first serve, and any micro course that I launch, you will be able to get it. And that's how I'm building the entire content engine for me, my students engine for me, and how you can do as well, integrating your micro course with a newsletter, with social media, everything put together, value related to that particular micro course that you launch, maybe as shorts or reels, and then you write detailed posts on platforms like LinkedIn and X, and that's it. Your journey has eventually started. And as you do so, you will continue to build the next course and the next course by following this entire blueprint in itself. Here's what you need to remember: people don't buy courses, people buy outcomes. Your first course does not need to be perfect, it just needs to solve one specific real problem. And start before you even feel ready, because progress creates confidence. If you loved this particular video with me so far, if you've enjoyed this entire journey, it would mean the world to me if you can check all the details that's given below in the description. You'll find the notes, the detailed video notes, the mind map. You will also find the latest micro course that will give you the exact step by step implementation on how to make it happen. Every micro course that I release comes with its own mind map, comes with its own playbook, comes with its own AI prompts sheet, and you will literally be able to finish the entire thing within a weekend. So make the most of it, sign up, check into that newsletter, so that every Monday 9 a.m. you will receive some amazing stuff along with all these coupon codes in your inbox every single Monday. Now, that was all that I had for this particular video, for this particular lesson. In the next video, you will see me diving deep into one more core topic, step by step, in-depth breakdown. If this video has helped you in some way, do let me know in the comments what has been your biggest takeaway. If there's something that you would like me to cover, do mention that as well. And if there's anything else that you would like me to like to share with me, feel free to let me know of that as well. With that, this is Dr. Srideep. Love you so much. See you in the next video. Love you so, 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 so much.